A luxury apartment complex arranged around a central pool. Text: luxury apartments, exceptional amenities. An indoor communal area with tables, chairs, a spiral staircase up to a balcony. Various other communal spaces. Wireframe CG human models are placed throughout. A gym filled with rowing machines, treadmills, and other equipment. Yoga mats in front of a TV. Lounge seats out by the pool. A set of stools and a table are in the pool. A furnished kitchen. Text: designer kitchen with quartz counters, Euro-style cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. A dishwasher. A living room space is attached. Text: wood-style plank flooring, Sherwin-Williams two-tone paint. Spacious bedrooms. Walk-in closets with built-in shelving. A furnished bedroom. Ceiling fan, large closet space. A bathroom on the other end of the closet. Text: Moen plumbing fixtures. GE front-loading washer and dryer. A second bathroom door opens to the kitchen. Sign: Broadstone on 9th. Text: tour virtually today.